This is some tough dirt. It's moving! Nice and tight. Ready for the big pull!
Here we go! Whoa! We did it!
It's even bigger than I thought.
Whee! That looks like fun.
Hard work pays off.
Let's get you cleaned up.
So beautiful. Perfect for a cart.
One, two, heave!
Thanks for the help, friends.
This should hold up.
It's finished! My beetroot cart. All aboard the Veggie Express. Here we go. Hold on tight.
Whoa! Careful back there!
Don't worry, I've got you. It's safe now. A peaceful ride for everyone. It looks like a royal carriage now. We did it! Hooray! What a beautiful day! Time for some light. There, that's better.
Good night, little one.
Almost clean, old friend. Oh, what was that?
Oh no! The wheel! Time to make the biggest pancake ever!
Easy does it. Almost there.
I got it! Send another one! Splash!
Crack! That is a big one!
Little elephant.
Stir and spin, stir and spin, stir and spin.
Keep them. Whoosh! Thump! Keep them coming.
So sweet and golden.
This will make it taste amazing.
Look at the size of these berries.
Almost finished with the stove. Just a little further. There. Now for the wood.
The fire is getting hot now. It is almost time to flip. Oh, it is flying!
Perfect land.
Now you look happy, Mr. Pancake. Tee-hee-hee. Little friend.
Syrup waterfall.
The feast is ready! Achoo! Too much sugar. It is so bouncy and soft. I love it. Wait, back! Just in time. One slice for everyone.
Enjoy the pancake, friends.
All clean now. Good night, jungle.
Time for a nap.
The best pancake ever.
Hello there, little friend.
Wow, a giant blueberry.
Got it.
Squeak.
No! Come back! Ha ha! Can't catch me! Yes, I can. Almost lost it. Ah! Ah! Goodness!
Up it goes.
Bring them in. Ribbits softly. Thank you so much. Look at all these harvest. Wow, look at that! That's the biggest blueberry I've ever seen. We've got to get up there. Chirp, chirp. Up, up you go. Chirp, chirp. I've got you now. Eek, eek. Yeah. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no. Cluck, cluck. Tee-hee. Look at my hands. Oh, Lou. Oh, this is so funny. What a wonderful day!